Welcome to our Spanish Beginner series. Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself to someone in Spanish. A typical introduction might start with ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what is your name? There are three different ways to introduce yourself in Spanish. The first one is simply Yo soy Andrea. That means I am Andrea. Soy means am. And don't worry too much about the verb to be just yet, because we are going to learn that later on in this lesson. The second way is me llamo Andrea, which is literally I call myself Andrea. It sounds kind of funny in English, but in Spanish it's one of the most common ways to introduce yourself or say your name. And it's important to notice the pronunciation of the double L or the J, which has a very similar sound to Y in English. Now, listen closely. Me llamo. Llamo. The third way is mi nombre es Andrea. That is, my name is Andrea. That one is quite simple, right? And you can see the similarities between English and Spanish with that example. Now, let's move on to the grammar section.